Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be fitting the car radio. So here it is, and I've got to put this front little fascia plate on it. Basically I got the actual radio in before, but it was sticking out, so I managed to push it back in, but I've pushed it in a little bit too far because I can't get the fascia plate back on this thing. So we're going to try and just pull this out a little bit, get the fascia plate back on, and yeah, see if we can get the radio working. Alright. Right, firstly I'm going to try the actual metal like little clip things the radio came with. We'll try and get it out with this first, see if that works. That one's gone in. Let's see if that one will work. Will it come out? I don't know if it was gonna. It wants to. Maybe just give it a bit of a wiggle. I think that's got it. There we go. Alright, let's try and get this back on. Try and figure out how that goes. It's got two up the top. Does it go this way? Just trying to figure out how this went back on now. That goes on there. Hang on, did that go round there? This is going to be, I think, trial and error, really. Right, bear with me 1 second, guys. I'll see if I can get this in. Yes, right, so we finally got the actual radio out and the metal cage surrounding. I've worked out that this little fascia actually goes on the outside metal caging. So we've now got that on. All we got to do now is just make sure the wires are all in the right place, pop this radio back in, and then just put on the actual front of the actual radio, and then fingers crossed we should be alright. So I'm just going to check they're all in. Yep. Right. I'm hoping this just goes straight in with these. Oh, don't clip out now. Oh no! No, 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 no. Why has it done that? Alright, let me try and get this radio back out of it again, guys. 1 sec. Right, second attempt trying to get it back in. Just go in. Why are you not going in? Be good. Oh yes, come on. Right, the last bit now. Just be good and go in. It doesn't want to, does it? It does not want to go in. Let me try and, maybe it's some of the metal bits that are probably bent. Like this one here. Oh no. No. Come on. I'm not. Oh god, just scratch the dash now. I'm not the best at this. Radios and all that. Do they even go flat? It's just, I don't know if it's just me, but I find radios quite difficult to put in. They're just such a, to me that's just a silly design, but I guess they have to be universal. Come on, just go in. Go in. Why are you doing this? See, that just pushes that bit in. You need that bit for that bit, but then that won't go in. This will just snap because it's brittle. Oh, you just go in. It. Go in. I think that's gone in too far again. Just a little bit. Now that's not. I need to put the actual radio. Where's my little one gone? There we go, come on. Come on, this should work now. This should work. Be good. Be good. Be good. Come on. I think we're in. I think we're in. I think we've only gone and done it, guys. We've got a radio in. There we go. That was relatively successful. It's probably the quickest I've ever done it, but I've done a little scratch on my dash. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh. Hopefully it will sort of polish out and you won't really notice it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That's gone in there nicely. I really wanted this radio in because I got this when I had my first red agila. I've had it for about 2 years now. So yeah, that's in. Another good thing, guys, is the parcel shelf's arrived. So we're just gonna quickly nip round the back and see if it fits. Sorry, I almost forgot. Before we do the parcel shelf, let's just see if the radio works. Yay, we have light. Yeah, it's all working. Obviously I got the volume on 0 because of copyright reasons. But yeah, all good stuff. Right, let's go and see if this parcel shelf fits. Here it is. Right, just pop it in now. Now it did say when I bought this on the other it was from a Suzuki wagon, but this is from the same time as they did these, because I think they stopped doing this type of parcel shelf in about 02, 03, so hopefully it fits. There we go, that fits. It's a little bit bent there, but hopefully that'll bend itself back out. Don't know if you can see that, guys. New parcel shelf. Yay! That's good. Alright, sorry if I was a bit quiet there, guys. I had a bit of an audience, the neighbours were watching. But yeah, the new parcel shelf fits in lovely. Like I said, they're exactly the same, the Suzuki wagon and the Vauxhall one, so I'm just happy that no one can be looking into my boot anymore. So that's all good. There's a few more other little bits and pieces that need doing on the car. So just stay tuned, and some more videos will be coming soon. And then we'll get on with that review soon. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video, guys. Finally got the radio in properly, and we've also got the parcel shelf, which is brilliant. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.